I think my screen is visible. Am I right? Yeah. Fine. So in last class we learned about difference between on premises with cloud. Am I right? Then what is server? Web server. What is web server? Okay, what is web server? Database server. Then what we learned is uh, why AWS, why AWS cloud. Okay, what is infrastructure? Infra. What is infra? What is infra? What is the disadvantage in on-premises? What is advantage in cloud? Then the cloud providers. We have lot of things we just gained in last days. Cloud providers, etc., etc. Finally, we finished the topic Modi. Am I right? The end of the class talking about Modi. How many of them researched that Modi? I'm not asking about researching about Modi. What Modi talked? He just talked about cloud. How many of them researched? I just asked you to research why Modi is speaking about AWS cloud. Okay, if not, just go and make a research like just typing Modi uh, first cloud approach. Okay, first cloud first approach. Just type cloud first approach. So if you type this, you'll get some articles. Okay, you'll still get some articles. On these articles, you can learn why Modi is talking about AWS cloud. Fine, fine. Okay, end of day. Everyone want to go to job. Am I right? Because that is our goal. Why we want to go to job? End of day, we want to make up money. With money, we can have a good lifestyle. Am I right? So what I'm coming to say is, end of day, we are learning cloud. So if we learn cloud, whether I can get into company with a good salary, we can get into company. So whether my lifestyle can change. Honestly, I can say yes. Okay, honestly, I can say yes. Why? Because if you go to cloud, there's a lot of opportunity. You get a lot of job opportunity, etc. Okay, and also if you're in already from a job, if you want to change into cloud, then also you will get lot of job opportunity in cloud. Okay, I can give a small example. Okay, just type job opportunities for AWS. Okay, AWS fresher. For fresher itself, you can see a lot of job. See, for fresher itself, you can see a lot of AWS jobs. Okay, so end of day, we have a lot of cloud providers. We have AWS, we have Azure, we have GCP, etc. etc. IBM, Oracle. But in top place, we have AWS, Azure, GCP. Why we should learn AWS? Why we should learn AWS? Because we have Azure, we have GCP, but why we should learn AWS first? Okay, why? Because AWS hold cloud market share in first place. In cloud market share, AWS capturing a first place. Okay, I can show proof. Okay, cloud market share. See, so who is first? AWS, because AWS is top. So what I'm coming to say is, because of AWS features, AWS pricing, AWS service, AWS plays a top roles in cloud market share. So most of the top companies are using AWS. For example, I will show top companies using AWS. You can see like Netflix. Netflix is using AWS. See, Facebook is using AWS. Twitter X, yeah, it's now it's X is using AWS. Twitch is using AWS. See, you can see Kellogg's is using AWS. Lot of companies using AWS. Okay, these are the top companies are using AWS. Okay, so what I'm coming to say is, if you want to get into these top companies, if you know AWS, it will be more added advantage to get place in that company. Okay, what I'm coming to say that is this. So only AWS plays a market first cloud share due to its services, its support, its pricing, etc. Okay, so only we are going to learn AWS first. We are going to learn AWS cloud. Okay, after learning AWS cloud by yourself, by doing self learn, you can learn Azure GCP, because every cloud is same. Every cloud core concept is same. Core concept is same. For example, if you buy a smartphone, a Samsung smartphone, after 1 year, if you are going to move to a OnePlus smartphone, whether it will be difficult? No. The, the functionality is same. The both smartphone functionality is same, but some feature differs. That's all. But you can easily migrate. Migrate means you can easily uh, adapt to that OnePlus phone. It's very easy. Like same way only. If you learn AWS cloud, then you can easily move to Azure. You can move to GCP. Okay, because the core concept is same. So we are going to see about AWS cloud. So to learn AWS cloud, what we need? To learn AWS cloud, what we need? AWS account. AWS account. Okay. So can you anyone say what is the full form of AWS? The full form of AWS is Amazon Web Service. The full form of AWS is Amazon Web Service. Why? Okay. End of day, you know why it is called as Amazon, because it's AWS is from Amazon company. Service means it's providing cloud service. Fine. What is web? Why they are mentioning Amazon Web Service? What is the meaning of web? Because for this full form, there should be some meaning, am I right? The full meaning is you can access AWS services, AWS cloud services. You can access AWS cloud services through AWS console website account. AWS console website account. Through website, through web, okay, through web, you can access AWS cloud services. Okay, I'll just log into my cloud account. Just it's a website, am I right? Through this website, we can access AWS services. Like what are the services we can access? If you want to create a server, you can create through this web itself. Okay, you don't want to install in your laptop, from web itself, you can access all the services. Okay, see what are the services AWS provide? Analytics services. If you are from data analytics, you are from data scientist background. Okay, so if your data is stored in a cloud, AWS cloud, if your data is stored in AWS cloud, then how you will analyze the data using this tool? Using this all of this tool, you can analyze your data. What is app integration? Like if you want to integrate some apps, if you want to integrate some apps, you can use this services. Blockchain. If you develop a blockchain based application, okay, if you develop a blockchain based application, you can deploy this blockchain services. Then business application, if you want to develop a business application, you can use this. Okay, compute, if you want to create a service, if you want to deal about service, if you want to create a server, if you want to manage a service, you can go for compute. Containers, actually containers is one of the booming technology, but I can't write explain this container technology now, because you should know some knowledge. You should know more knowledge about containers, because now I can't talk about containers, but I will arrange some workshop to create some awareness about containers. Okay, then database. End of the day, database is used for created used to store data of the users. Okay, end of the day, database used to store the data of users. Okay, you can create databases. Okay, developer tools. If you're from developer background, you can use these developer tools in your development. Okay, end user computing, it's like how to say, like for example, if you want to connect with your desktop to laptops, like that. Okay, if you want to connect with some end-to-end desktop connections, you can go to this. Okay, like that we have a lot of services. Game development. Okay, if you are interested in game development, you can develop games and deploy in that. Okay, see, game development, you can develop your games in cloud. IoT, if you are interested more about hardware, okay, you can deal with IoT. Machine learning, which is dealing now. Machine learning, see, generative AI. So AWS also have generative AI. So these are the machine learning tools. Using these machine learning tools, you can train a model, speech recognition, etc., etc., translation, etc. Okay. So if your data is stored in your cloud, then finally you'll be using these tools to make a model, train a model, etc. Like that, we have a lot of services: storage, security, robotics, quantum technology. Yeah, quantum technology will be the future, etc. So we have a lot of services. See, they are giving future services also. Most of them know what is quantum computing. Okay, just discuss about it. Okay, fine. Like that, AWS providing lot of services. You can access these services through this website. So only it is called as Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services. Okay, fine. To learn AWS, we need AWS account. How to create a AWS account? I will teach you. Okay, how to create a AWS account. It's a simple way, simple like 5 minute steps to create a AWS account. Let's go to AWS console. Go to AWS console login, management console. Okay, in this page, go to login back. Okay, just go to create new AWS account. Okay, what are the information you want to add is your username, your just wait a minute, someone is joining. It's admitting. Okay, fine. Okay, just enter your username, enter your account name, verify like just add your email ID, some email ID, add your email ID, valid email ID, enter some name like your name, verify it, you will get a OTP. After getting OTP, you want to enter some personal details. After entering personal details, you should enter some card details, your debit card or credit card details. uh, so now the most important point comes here, because most of the people ask me, sir, I'm just entering my card details in AWS. They're asking my card details like debit card, credit card. It is safe to enter. It is safe to enter. Whether AWS will take my money from my account, whether AWS will take money from my account without my permission, no, no possible. AWS never take your money from your account. Then what is the purpose of asking debit and credit card details? What is the reason is, for example, let's consider uh, just AWS, to create a AWS account. For example, I'm saying to create a AWS account, it is getting mail ID. Okay, mail ID, password, some personal details. Whether can you enter fake details, fake mail ID? Yeah, you can enter a fake mail ID using temp mail. You can enter your password which you like, password 123, some personal details. You can enter some personal details, and you can create a account. You can create account. For example, create account. Now what happens after creating account? You can do anything using AWS account, because it's providing lot of services. Because it's providing lot of services, you can use these services, you can do anything. Let's consider a victim, a hacker, or let's consider like this, a scammer. Who is scammer? For example, a scammer, most of the scammer will be, I'm just giving iPhone for 10,000 rupees. You can buy iPhone for 10,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees. They will make a, what they will make, they will create a some fake website. They will create some fake website and enter fake details like uh, iPhone for 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. Now what happens? The person who are interested in iPhone, okay, for example, let's I'm very interested in iPhone, then what happens? I will see the website. When I see the website, oh, fine, iPhone for 10,000 rupees. Now my dopamine release. At the time, my brain will not think who will give for 10,000. What I'll do, I'll just buy that iPhone. End of day, money will be taken from my bank, but iPhone will not be delivered. Now what happens? Now police comes, and I'll be giving some complaint to police. Now police starts to investigate, but most probably it will not happen. Okay, in our country they'll not take these complaints. But I'm saying, for example, okay, end of day, if police do some investigation, they'll go to AWS and they will ask, in your server only the scammer is installed this website, fake website. And what the police will do? The police will ask for scammer details, because while creating account, we'll be giving some details. So police will be asking for the details. When AWS gives the details, what happens? It's a fake details. It's a fake details, am I right? So anyone can misuse AWS services. Am I right? So only what they do is they ask for card details, your card details. Now what happens? After entering the card details, what they will do, they will take 2 rupees from your account. They'll debit 2 rupees from your account. Bro, why bro? Why they debiting 2 rupees? Whether AWS does not have 2 rupees? Huh? Amazon does not have 2 rupees? No. Why they take 2 rupees is they will do some verification. Like they will check whether the card details is original, legitimate or fake. We will check how they can check because you can also enter the card details fake. Am I right? You can fake card details can be entered by doing transaction. They will check whether the details is correct or not. Okay. After checking, while they do transaction, they will get a transaction details. In the transaction details, you will get the name, etc., etc. They will verify if it is correct. They will approve the account. After that, they will credit. They will credit this 2 rupees to your account itself. To your account itself, this 2 rupees will be given back. Okay. Okay, fine. So for verification only, they are asking for card details. No way the AWS will not take 1 rupee from your account without your permission. Clear? Everyone got it? So just you can go and create the account without any fear. Okay, so just try to create account. I will upload a video how to create AWS account on our YouTube video, and I will share it by tomorrow or tomorrow, most probably tomorrow. I will share how to create AWS account. Okay, fine. After creating account, you'll be getting into this login page, this console page. After logging, you'll come into console page. Okay, fine. So in today's class, what are we going to do? What I am going to do is we are going to create a server. We are going to create a cloud server. Okay, I'll just show how we'll create. Okay, we'll go to AWS account. Okay, in AWS account, we'll go to EC2 service. We'll go to EC2 service. What is EC2 service? Elastic, Elastic Compute Cloud. Okay, Elastic Compute Cloud. So in this service, in this AWS service only, we can this AWS service provide us and help us to create cloud server. So entering into this service, you can go and create cloud servers. Okay, so help of this service, you can create a cloud server. So just go to AWS account, just type EC2. The full form is Elastic Compute Cloud. What is compute? End of a machine. So and you could go to this service and create a machine. What they saying in the slogan, virtual servers in the cloud. So they provide virtual service. That means they provide cloud servers. They provide cloud servers. Just go to EC2. Okay. Before going to EC2, you should choose the region. You should choose a region. So what is region? This is a most important question in asked in interviews. Most of the interviews they will ask difference difference between difference between region and AC. AC means availability zone. What is the difference between a region and availability zone? Okay, I'll be explaining you. Just concentrate. AWS global infrastructure. Okay, just go to AWS global infrastructure. You can see a global map, that is world map. You can see this world map. It will be displayed soon. Okay, can you see this world map? Yeah, I think you can see. Okay, fine. Okay, in this world map, in this world map, you can see some blue marks. Okay, what is this blue marks? Nothing but region. These blue marks are called as regions. Means what is that? Bro, what is that region means? For example, this is AWS data center. Okay, this is AWS data center. Can you see this data center? Just wait a minute, I'll show you. Yeah, this is the AWS data center. Okay, so what I'm coming to say is, uh, what is data center? Data center is nothing but collection of servers. So inside this data center, we have a lot of servers. Then why it is called as data centers. It can be called as server center. Am I right? There is a collection of servers, so it's called server center. Why do we calling as data center? Nothing but inside the server, what we have data. So all the company's data, all the customers, AWS customers' data are stored in this servers. So collection of servers which is stored in the collection of servers available in this data center. So end up being all the servers what we have data. So all data of multiple companies will be stored here. So it's called as data centers. So all the data will be stored here. So it's called as data centers. Okay, fine. Now you know what is data center. No, data center is nothing but collection of servers. Like this, we have lot of servers. Lot of servers will be available. Inside the server, we have data. So it's called as data center. Okay. Now what I'm coming to say is, you can see Hyderabad, you can see Mumbai. So someone is from Mumbai, am I right? So in Mumbai, we have AWS data center. Like this. In Mumbai, we have AWS data center. In Hyderabad, we have AWS data center. See, in Canada, we have AWS data center. Okay, see, North California, we have AWS data center. Europe, we have a data center. Jakarta, we have data center. Hong Kong, we have AWS data center. Like that, these blue marks are where the AWS data center is present. Okay, then what is region, bro? Region is nothing but everyone know KFC, am I right? KFC. Okay. For example, let's consider. Let's consider. mm, in which all like KFC, where the KFC is available in Chennai. Am I right? In Chennai, we have KFC. Okay, in Chennai we have KFC. In Mumbai we have KFC. Okay, in Hyderabad we have KFC. Then etc. Delhi, etc. In lot of ways we have KFC. Okay, why? Okay, we have in Chennai, we have Mumbai, we have Hyderabad, we have in Delhi. So in all these places we have KFC. Am I right? So Chennai is one region. In Chennai region we have KFC. In Mumbai region we have KFC. In Hyderabad region we have KFC. In Delhi region we have KFC. That is called region. So in Mumbai this is called region. So wherever data center is present, that is called as region. For example, in Chennai we have KFC branches, KFC shop. Am I right? So it is Chennai is one region. In Mumbai we have KFC shop. So Mumbai is one region. In Hyderabad we have KFC shop. Hyderabad is one region. In Delhi we have KFC shop. Delhi is one region. In for example, let's take some other Bangalore. For example, in Bangalore we don't have KFC. No KFC. Then it is not called as region. It's not considered as a region. So wherever KFC is present, it is called as region. So like the same way in AWS, wherever AWS data center is present, that is called region. Region. I think this will be the best example to understand this concept. Am I right? So we have data center in Hyderabad. So it is one region. We have Mumbai. In Mumbai we have a data center. It is another region. So this is called region. Then what is availability zone, bro? Then what is availability zone? AC. Nothing but KFC. Let's consider KFC. In KFC we have Chennai region. In Chennai region, uh, whether one branch is available or multiple branches available. Can anyone say? In Chennai region, we have only one branch, one KFC branch. No, we have, for example, let's consider. Let's type here. Total KFC in Pakistan. I think they are not displaying. They are displaying Tamil Nadu. Let's consider some around 10. Okay. In Chennai region, we have 10 KFC shop, KFC branches. Can anyone say why a 10 KFC branch in Chennai? In Mumbai, we have 5 KFC branch. Why 5? Can anyone say? In Chennai they can have one. Why 10? In Mumbai they can have one. Why 5? For availability. For availability. What is availability? For example, in Chennai region, all the people should get KFC chickens. So everyone should get KFC chicken. So what they have? They have 10 branches. In Mumbai region, everyone should get KFC chicken. So they have 5 branches. Like a same way, in Mumbai region, we have three data center. In Mumbai region, we have three data center. In Hyderabad, we have three data center. Okay. In Jakarta, we have three data center. Then you ask, bro, end of day, mostly KFC will be liked by many people. So we have a lot of branches. Why AWS? Why this much data center in Mumbai, bro? May have doubt. I'll give a good example. For example, uh, most of them, most of them will have. Okay, let's consider like that. Okay, let's consider some example. You have girlfriend. Okay, you have girlfriend. So every day you will see your girlfriend girlfriend picture you will see. Okay, that much you love your girlfriend. But nowadays, no one will love like that because now 2K is generation. So 1 month everyone will have one girlfriend. Am I right? Am I right? Or 6 months one we have one girlfriend. Not talking about me. I'm talking about some people's. Okay, fine. So what I'm coming to say is, let's consider Prem. Okay, Prem. Prem have girlfriend. So he stored girlfriend photo. Okay, he stored his girlfriend photo in AWS. Let's consider he stored his girlfriend photo. Okay, in let's consider GF. Okay, GF photo pic in AWS Mumbai data center. Mumbai data center. Okay. So every day Prem will watch his girlfriend pic. After seeing a girlfriend pic only, will go to college. Okay. Now after wake up, he'll see his GF pic. Now what happens is in Mumbai data center. In Mumbai we have one data center. Let's consider in Mumbai we have one data center, but there is a three data center. Let's consider we have one data center now. Okay. We have three data center, but let's consider only one data center is available. Now what happens is some due to some disaster, Mumbai data center is affected. Due to some flood, etc., the Mumbai data center is affected. So there is a power cut in Mumbai data center. If there is power cut, no internet. So there is no internet, nothing. That's all shut down. Everything is shut down. So Prem from Chennai. Prem from Chennai. But in Chennai, everything is fine. And Prem is trying to access his chief pick, but the pick is not loading. The pick is not loading because due to shutdown in Mumbai data center. Whether Prem will happy, whether Prem will be happy, no, he will shout AWS. I'm paying money for you. Why I can't able to access my girlfriend pay? He'll be shouting. So it will be the customer will not be happy. Okay, so what Mumbai is doing is what is AWS is doing is AWS is building having a three data center in Mumbai in different place. In Mumbai, they will have three data like this. They have three data centers in different place, not in same place, in different place. Now, what happens when you upload a photo? When Prem upload his girlfriend pic, the pic will be stored in three data center by default. By default, the pic will be stored in three data center. Okay, the pic will be stored in three data center. He can choose. There is option. There's option. He can store in three data center. Now, what happens if one data center is got it's shut down due to some disaster? If it is shut down, he can access from another data center. If another data center is closed due to some problem, then the pic will be loaded from another data center. Most probably, three data center will not be affected because that much they will secure the data center. For example, maybe most probably the data center will be more secure. Like in zero case only, some effect will be happen. For the zero case only, they have three data center. Due to the customer should not be affected. So what is AZ? AZ is nothing but availability zone. So AWS have three AZs, three availability zone in Mumbai. Three AZs in Mumbai. That means it has three data center in Mumbai for availability. Availability means what? Prem should avail his girlfriend photo every time. Okay, fine. I think everyone understood because it's interview question. But in interview, don't explain like this about this girlfriend or about this KFC. Just in technical term, you can explain. I will do nothing but the number of data center is present in region. What is region? Region is nothing but the place where AWS data center is present. Okay, fine. Everyone got clear? Okay, if clear, just drop yes on set. Let's proceed on some other thing. Okay, some other concept. Let's proceed on a further concept. Okay, everyone is clear. Okay, fine. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a cloud server. In which region we are going to create a cloud server? We are going to create a cloud server in which region? We are going to create a cloud server in, let's consider Mumbai. Let's consider Singapore. Which region we can take? You can take any region. Let's consider. I'll take uh, Singapore. In Singapore, I'm going to create a cloud server. In Singapore, I'm going to create a cloud server. So end of okay, in Singapore, I'm going to create a cloud server. How to create a cloud server? I'll be showing you how to create a cloud server. I'll be showing you. End of day, what is the use of server? In every server, what we'll do? What is the use of server? The use of server is nothing but to run an application. Am I right? End of day, in every server, we are going to run an application. Application. Okay, end of, in every server we are going to run an application. So what is our project is, we are going to create a server and we are going to deploy a application. We are going to deploy a application in this server. So after deploying the server, after deploying this application in this server, your application will be in live state. For example, I'll show a small example. Yeah, you can ask. Yeah, if you have a doubt, you can ask. You can unmute and you can ask your doubt. Anyone have any doubts? Okay, fine. I think no doubts. If you have any doubts, I can drop on chat, friends. Okay, fine. So end of day, what we are going to do is we are going to create a server. In this server, we are going to deploy this application. What is deploy? What is deploy? What is deploy? Deploy is nothing but copy pasting the code. Deploy is nothing but copy pasting the code. In company terms, they will call as deploy. Deploy is nothing but copy pasting the code. Okay, what you will do is you will copy the code and you will paste the code in cloud server. After pasting this code in cloud server, your application will comes to live. Your application comes to live. For example, I'll show. I've done a small sample. Okay, in this cloud server, I deployed my application. So this will be your project. See, you can all access this website. So like same way, you are going to deploy an application. This is your project. Okay, I'll share this address. Everyone just try copy paste this address in your Chrome or any browser and just click on it. You can see this website. Like the same way, you are going to upload your, you are going to make your site live in cloud server. Okay, fine. That will be our project. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a cloud server, and after creating the cloud server, we'll be deploying this application in the cloud server. Okay, fine. So now what are we going to do is we're going to create a cloud server. How to create a cloud server? Let's choose the region. Which region you want? Where you want to create a cloud server? I want to create a cloud server in Singapore. I'm just going to Singapore region. Okay, after getting into Singapore region, I want to create a server. What is instance? Instance is nothing but, okay, instance is nothing but cloud server. So AWS is calling cloud server as an instance. When it comes to Azure, the cloud service is called as virtual machine. So if you create your own cloud, you can keep the name as your own name. So like AWS keep as instance. Why instance? Why they kept as instance? Why? Because you know instant coffee. What is instant coffee? Within a few minutes you can create a coffee. Like you can make a coffee. Like the same way, within few minutes you can create a server. Within few minutes you can create a server. That is instance. Instantly you can create a server. So only they kept as instance. Okay, instance means nothing but cloud server. Okay, fine. So just go to instance, easy to dashboard. Just go to easy to dashboard. Go to easy to dashboard. In this dashboard, you can see dashboard is loading. Launch instance. Can you see? Launch instance. Launch instance is what? Launch means create. Instance means cloud server. Create cloud server. Just go and create cloud server. Okay. You want to enter a name. You want to enter a name. I'm just entering my some name. My first site. My first website. You can enter any name. Okay. Then OS. You should choose OS for your server because without OS we can't interact with your computer. So OS is must. We are going to choose Windows OS. We are going to choose Windows OS. Windows OS latest version 2022. Okay. Uh, yeah, if you have doubt, you can drop on chat. Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, you can unmute now. You can unmute and you can ask your doubt. Fine. If you have doubts, you can drop on chat. Okay. Or you can by unmuting, you can ask your doubts. Okay, but I'll ask at the end of the time. I'll just finish my topics. Okay, so I'll be choosing OS, Windows. I'm going to use Windows OS. Using Windows OS, I'm going to create my cloud server, 2022 latest version. Now I want to choose CPU RAM. Sir, you said that cloud service nothing but supercomputers. Supercomputers will be available in cloud. Sir, only one CPU and 1 GB RAM. We have only one CPU. Whether it is supercomputer, no. Yeah, this is not a supercomputer. Actually, they provide one CPU, one RAM for free. But just click this. You can see a lot of supercomputers. I'll show. See, can you see the lot of supercomputers? See, 96 CPU, 192 GB memory. See, 96 CPU, 192 GB memory. See, these are supercomputers. See, see, 96 CPU, 192 memory. Okay, these are called as supercomputers, which is used for gaming, which is used for multiple purpose. High level deploying high level end application. We are using these supercomputers. Okay, for free version we are using free account. Am I right? We are going to, for learning we are using. For learning we don't need supercomputers. We can go with this basic capacity: one CPU, one RAM. Okay, that's all. Okay, what do you want to choose? You want to give a name. You want to select our OS. You want to select CPU memory. Then what we want to select? Okay, let's consider. You just created a server. After creating a server, which is present in Singapore, you are from Chennai. Like I'm from Chennai. I'm from Chennai. I want to connect this server. How I will be connecting this server? I will whether everyone can connect this connected to the server. No, only the person who have password. Only the person who have password, they can connect to this server. Without password, you can't log into this server. I'll mention an instance because in technical terms we'll be calling as instance. Okay. Hereafter I'll be calling instance. Instance means nothing but cloud server. So how to connect to this instance? Using password. So we need password, am I right? So in cloud, the password format will be in keypad. The password format will be in keypad. Then what is keypad, bro? Nothing but it will be in file format. The password will be in file format also. Can you see this? This is a password which is available in file format. I'll show that. I'll open and show that. Bro, why bro file format? Because end of day for security issue they provide a large password. See, can you see this large password? Okay, due to security purpose, they provide large password so that no one can able to hack this server. Okay, because some if you have some because some will have password like password 123 or a password weak password. Using this weak password, anyone can hack. But using this strong password, no one can able to hack it. Most probably it's not possible to hack. Okay, fine. So only they provide password in file format. So I'm going to create my password in file format. It will be giving my password in file format. I'm giving Windows password, pass. Okay, you can give any name. You can give any name. Format is PEP. To download if you want to log in into Windows server, the key format should be in PEM format. If you want to log in into Linux server, the key format should be PPK format. So I'm going to log in into Windows server, so I will choose PEM format. In future class, you will be learning about Linux server. At the time, we'll be choosing PPK format. At the time, I will be saying why we should choose PPK format. But now I'm choosing PEM format because I'm just going to log in Windows server. Create keypad. Okay, after creating keypad, see the password is downloaded in the format of files. Can you see? The password is downloaded in the format of file. Using this file, we can log in into our instance. Okay, instance means cloud server. That's all. Just click launch instance. See within how many seconds it's creating instance. Check within how many seconds it's creating instance. So only it's called as instance. One, two, just count the seconds. That's all. Your instance is created. So only the cloud service called as instance. Okay, just go to instance, click this instance. You can see your server. Let's refresh this. See, can you see your instance? Yeah, I can see my instance. Okay, we just created a Windows server. After creating a server, we need to connect to the server. Am I right? How to connect to this server? Simple. I'll just say. Let's consider this is your. Let's consider this is your instance. Okay, this is your instance. Okay, this is your instance, which is available in Mumbai. Okay, which is available in Mumbai. Okay, I am from Chennai. So this is my laptop. This is a Windows laptop. Okay, I'm going to connect this Mumbai's instance. The instance is present in Mumbai through my laptop. How to connect from my laptop? How to connect to this instance? Because I'm from Chennai. Am I right? Okay, from Chennai through my laptop. Just it's in caps lock. Okay. Okay, from Chennai, I am going to connect to this instance through my laptop. Oh, using who will help me to connect to this instance? Who will help? A software called RDP client. Okay, RDP client will be helping me to connect to this Mumbai's instance. Then there are not. I will not. I can call as Mumbai's instance. In Mumbai region, we launched a instance. In Mumbai region, we have launched an instance. Okay. So help of this RDP client, we are going to connect to this instance. Okay. How to download the RDP client? You don't want to download. It is already available in uh, AWS. Just select your machine. After select your machine, just click connect. Okay. The machine is still not started. So okay, it's in running state now. Okay, fine. Select your machine. After selecting your machine, click on connect. Okay, after clicking connect button, can you see this RDB client? Click on this RDB client. Scroll down. You can see a button called download remote desktop file. Click on this button. See the software is downloaded. Double click on this software. After double clicking, it will show this page. Just click connect to connect your Mumbai server, Mumbai's instance. Sorry, we are in Singapore, right? I just typed. Sorry for that. I forgot. Yeah, Singapore. Okay, fine. I'm just connecting to my Singapore instance. Okay. Uh, yeah, it's asking for password. As I said, when you try to log into your Singapore instance, it will ask for password. So where is password? The password is in file format. But what is the problem is Windows does not support file format. What is the problem is Windows does it support pass, password password file format. Okay, Windows doesn't support password in file format, but Linux Linux support password in file format. So what we can do, because Windows does not support file format, but we have file format. Windows support only characters. You can see it is only asking for characters, not for file. Now what we want to do is we want to decrypt this file. You want to decrypt this file. In future, I will make a workshop on what is encryption, decryption, about cryptography class. In cryptography class, I will explain what is encryption, decryption. Now, just understand from this file, you are going to get a password. How to get the password? Get password, upload the file. After uploading the file, you will be getting a original password. See, decrypt the password. After decrypting, you will get the original password. Okay, just copy this password, paste it here. That's all. Now we'll be connected to Singapore instance. Okay, that's all. Okay, it's take time. Before that, I will explain small intro. So what we are going to do is we are going to conduct a AWS internship program. Okay, in upcoming days, from it starts from tomorrow. Okay, it starts from tomorrow. I'll show that. Just go to our website. Okay, in our website we have course page. Uh, in course we have AWS Cloud Internship. Okay, in that we have syllabus. You can check the syllabus already as shown. Okay, this course starts from tomorrow. This internship starts from tomorrow. So who can attend this? Or want to change their domain, you can attend. Or else, if you want to get into job, you can attend. Or if you're a student, you want to get an internship, you can join. Okay. For example, after this 45 days, you can get land into job. You can go for a job because we are teaching that much stuff. Okay, you can see the syllabus. Okay, I'll show the syllabus. So these are things you are learning. So you just check on the syllabus. Okay, just check the syllabus. Go and check the syllabus. Uh, So what is highlight is after learning this internship, AWS internship, after 45 days, uh, what you can do is you can go for a job or you can go for apply for a real-time internship. For example, you are from third year or you are from second year. If you don't have skills, how company will give an internship? Think about it, because the company need a person who has skills for a job and internship. So if you don't have skill, the company will not take you as an internship, but you are asking for internship for free. No, without knowledge you can't go for an internship. You should have some skills to get into internship, because the company does not teach in internship. They will not teach in internship. They will give work for you. You should work on that. With your skill you want to work. For working you will get a stipend. Okay, so what we are going to plan is in this 45 days internship, we'll be training you in a technology called AWS. In AWS Cloud, we'll be training from basics to advanced, and also we'll be working on many projects. We'll do a lot of projects, and you will do one big project, real-time project, which is used in company. You'll do a big real-time project, okay, and you'll be learning Linux. Why? Because in most of the institution, they will not teach Linux in cloud. Why? Because you should know Linux to learn cloud. You should have prerequisite. Linux is prerequisite for learning cloud. But what I'm doing is I'm teaching Linux for free. Okay, I'm going to teach Linux for free. After learning Linux, you can go and learn cloud. so that you can learn every concept in cloud. You get every concept understanding in cloud if you know Linux, because most probably you will not use Windows in cloud. You'll be using Linux only. So you should know Linux. So I'm just giving Linux for free and software development life cycle, because end of day we end up everyone going to work in IT company. So in IT company, what they do, they develop a software. So you should know how to develop a software, how they developing the software. I'll be teaching how they develop the software. So this will be the extra things you'll be learning in this internship, and I'll help you to make a good resume. I'll help you to make a good resume by mentioning your skills. Like after 45 days, you have a lot of skills. You will mention all these skills in your resume. You will mention 3 to 4 projects. You'll do 3 to 4, 5, 6, 7 projects in this internship. You will mention on that in your resume, and I will give some interview preparation guide. I'll give some questions, and I'll make some preparation. I'll discuss interview questions in class. Okay, so that you will be prepared for interview, and you can, and I'll be helping to apply for a job. Like I'll give some websites, go and apply for a job, or go and apply for an internship. Surely you'll be get selected if you have interest, and if you learn all the concept in this 45 days. Surely you'll be get selected. Okay, fine. So this is what we are going to do. You will be getting project completion certificate and internship certificate. Okay, so end up you'll be doing lot of projects. You should complete all this project and you'll be getting the certificate. Okay, and also you get internship certificate also. Okay, this is what I'm coming to say. Okay, so the fees is 2000 only. The course fees is 2000. The internship fees is 2000 only. You may ask why 2000? It's very less. Why? Because end of day, if you just go and check with this syllabus, the same syllabus content which is provided by many companies, many institutions where they buy, they give for 15,000, 20,000. The same course is given for 15 and 20,000. But why we are giving for 2,000 is end of day, whether the student can pay 15,000, it's not possible because he is not earning. Whether the student can pay 20,000, it's not possible. But a student can pay 2,000 rupees. Okay, you can pay 2,000 rupees, am I right? So only we just fix this price so that every student can learn cloud and they can go for their dream job, or they can go for internship and they can get stipend from the company. As a student, you can become a part-time work and you can get a salary from company. Okay, so end of day, if I fix this price to 20,000, only the person who have money, the students who have money can learn this cloud. The person who have money can learn this cloud. They can get mentor from me, etc. But what about the people who don't have money, from middle class, etc.? They can't learn. So only we fixed for the 2,000 rupees so that everyone can learn as a service, as a service. I'm just doing this. Just make support on from your side. Okay, so it's starting from tomorrow. You can just join. Okay, the joining process for 1 week. You have 1 week time. Okay, till Friday you have time. Till Friday, you can come for free. Okay, but you should do payment. After doing payment, you will be added to WhatsApp group. You'll be added to WhatsApp group, and from Monday, only the student who paid will be uh, allowed for the class. Okay, will be allowed for the class from Monday, not from tomorrow. From I think next Monday. Okay, from yeah, from 18th. From 18th, the student who paid the payment will be allowed. So I'm giving 1 week time. If you're interested, you can pay and you can join. And there is another option also, bro. I can't pay 2,000 initially, but I have interest. What you can do is you can pay in installment. Whether you can pay 2,000 full amount, or you can pay 1,000 rupees, or you can pay 500 rupees. Okay, if you pay 500 rupees, you can just pay 500 rupees and you can join the course. After 15 days, you can pay remaining amount. If you join paying using 1,000 rupees, after 15 days, you can pay remaining amount. If you pay full amount, good, that's all. Okay, we are giving this installment option. Why we are giving installment option is because sometimes students can't able to pay 2,000 also. Some students will have difficult, am I right? Because within this 1 week, most of students can't able to arrange 2,000 rupees, but they can arrange 500 rupees. I mean, so only I'm giving this option. So avail this option, make use of this, because most of the institution will not provide this. Okay, you only want to support me so that If you support me, I can bring lot of courses for a low budget so that everyone can learn and you can land a good job and you can make your lifestyle good by landing into a job. Okay, so to make a payment, what is the procedure is, this is my GPA number. Okay, okay, we'll get Shanmugaraja as account name. Just pay the initial amount and you can join the course. You can also see in website. This is my WhatsApp number. You can just click this WhatsApp icon and you can chat with me. Okay, you can chat with me. This is my WhatsApp number. This is my GPay number. Just go and pay the initial amount and share your name. Share your name, uh, your your name and your phone number. Phone number. Okay, WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number. What I will do is I'll share screenshot, payment screenshot to my WhatsApp number. What I will do is I will add you in personal group, personal WhatsApp group. I will add you in personal WhatsApp group. Okay, so you'll get a notes, daily recordings. Daily recording will be provided. At the night, I will be uploading the recording daily because if you miss the class, you can use the recording. And why I'm giving a recording is, what you want to do is you should attend daily classes, and after the class you go watch the recording and take the notes, because in end of the interview you can revise your notes. Before going interview you can't see all the videos, but you can see the notes now, so make your own notes. But I will also give the notes, but better ways take notes by yourself so that it will be easy, more easy to understand. Okay, so only we provide recording, daily recordings. Okay, fine, this is a procedure to join. Okay, if you're interested you can join in this program. Okay, already internship is started, another batch is ongoing. If you are interested you can join from tomorrow and you can start your internship. After doing payment we will be releasing a intern letter intern letter internship letter. Okay, so we'll be releasing internship letter after done some initial payment. It may be 500 or 1000 or 2000. Okay, fine. If you're interested you can just fill this form. Click enroll now. If you're interested alone, fill this form. If not interested, don't fill this form. If you're interested, fill this form so that I will contact you. My team will contact you. Okay, if you're interested, fill this form. Okay, if you have doubts you can message me or you can just fill down queries. Okay, fine. And what other details I want to say? Okay, this will be the procedure to join this internship program. If you have interest alone, join, because it's not about money. Because 2000 rupees, I know it's very low cost, but I need only the person who are interested to join this course, join the internship, learn a lot, do a lot of projects, go to a job, land a job. That is my success. If you land a job, that is my one of my success, success of my company. Okay, it's sort of cops. Okay, so that what I need as interested student, not just if you're not interested, just don't join. I'll be very be frank. Okay, fine, because we'll be monitoring on 45 days. We'll be monitoring how you do the projects, whether you're attending the class. We'll be monitoring. So only I'm saying. Okay, if you're interested you can join. And you have another option actually. If you can't able to attend daily classes, if you can't able to attend daily classes, what we have is another option is, uh, daily we'll be giving a video. Daily we'll be giving a video. Okay, you can watch that video, and Saturday and Sunday, 1 hour we have one doubt clarification session. 1 hour we have doubt clarification session. In that session, you can ask a doubt. So Monday to Friday we'll be giving a video. You watch that video, come to Sunday's meeting, ask doubts, and we will be doing some small project. That's all. This is another option. Who can avail this option is, uh, the person who can't spend time. I can't attend daily classes because I'm working person, or I can't able to, because already I have a lot of works. I can't come to live class, so I take recording. You can go for recording. You can come to Sunday's meeting, you can ask those, and you can do some projects. Okay, the best is live class is best for me. Best is live class is best, because you can doubt clarify your doubt at the same time. At the day itself you can clarify the doubt. You come and learn, ask more doubts, gain a lot of knowledge from me, etc. People who can't able to attend, go for recording. Okay, for live class also we provide recording. Okay, not a problem. Fine. And the class timings will be most probably 8 to 9. 8 to 9, most probably 8 to 9, or 7 to 8. I'll be confirming you, most probably 8 to 9. I'll be confirming you in a WhatsApp group. Okay, this will be the procedure. You'll be doing real time project, not a small project. A real time industry project will be done by you. I'll be teaching you real-time industry project. You'll be do lot of small project during the 45 days. You'll do small project. After 45 days, you'll be doing a big project which is done in company. Okay, fine. And I think I just covered everything. You can see if you want to join live class, the fees is 2,000 rupees. If recording, 1,199. Okay, so 5 days recording session will be uploaded and drive. Sunday practical and documentation will be done. Okay, live means daily classes you'll be having. Clear? Okay, friends. I think the server will be created. The server will be started. Let's check. See, we just created an instance in Singapore and we connected to the instance. Okay, this is how in real time we'll be doing. Tomorrow's class, tomorrow your class, join the class, and we'll be deploying application. After deploying application, you can share your application to your friends. Okay, this will be the tomorrow's agenda. Okay, I think there's already 8:14. Okay, any doubts you can ask. And let's see you in tomorrow's class. Take care. Just have your dinner. Thank you. If you have doubts, just contact me. Thank you, friends. Thank you.